How to diagnose, replace, and program a replacement electric power steering module on Ford vehicles. Here is a 2011 Ford Explorer with a faulty electric power steering system. So the first thing we are going to do now is to run a computerized diagnosis on the vehicle to know exactly what went wrong and get it fixed. Let's dive straight into it. A professional level scan tool will be required for this procedure. So we will be using the Diagnosing software for this procedure. First of all, identify the vehicle, then click on Local Diagnosis, and in the list of the available system, click on the power steering control module. Then read fault codes. Alright, this fault code here, U3096C8, indicates that the steering module has completely failed and need to be replaced. So let's get a replacement steering module. And here is it. It is a fairly used one from another car, but it's not a plug and play. It needs to be programmed. So let's go through the programming procedure. We will go to special function, then programmable module installation, and follow the screen instructions. Leave the old steering module still temporarily connected to the vehicle. Turn the ignition switch on. Turn ignition switch off. Install a new module. Now we are going to remove the old steering module from the vehicle and plug in the replacement module. Then we continue with the programming. If you find this useful, subscribe to our channel, comment, like, and share this with others, and follow us for more. We won't need this phone to do other thing. Now we click OK to continue with the programming and follow the screen instruction to finish it. And we are going to clear all the fault codes set during the programming. We will tighten the steering rack properly, fix the exhaust and the remaining component, and we are all done. For your automobile diagnosis, repair, or for mechatronics training, you can always get in touch with us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.